Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to redeem your Talbots gift cards or use Talbots gift cards to purchase items online. First, go to Talbots website and then log in to your account. Find the items that you like and add them to cart. After you are done, click on the shopping bag and then click Checkout button. Scroll down and select the shipping method and continue. Scroll down to the bottom again and then click Apply Gift Card. Enter the 10 or 16 digits gift card number at the back side of the Talbots gift card. After that, hit Apply and then continue. The amount will deducted from your Talbots gift card. This is how you can redeem Talbots gift cards. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.